Okay, let's look at this question here. An article reports that sales have grown by 13.39% this year to 127 million. What were sales before the growth? Give your answer as a whole number. Okay, so what we are interested in finding is the sales before the growth. But the sales have grown by 13.9% to 127 million. Okay, so what was it before? Well, we have to let the sales before the growth be the 100% because that is the basis of the increase of this 13.9%. Okay, so the before growth is 100%, and that is represented, the profit is represented by X. So after growth of 13.9% here, we have 100 plus 13.9, giving us 112.39. Now it has grown to this amount here of 127 million. Okay, so with that amount of data, we can proceed to construct an equation, or you could see a proportion of sorts here, where you have the 100%. All right, so we have the 100%. We have the 100% here and the X right across from there, over there. And the 112.39, which is the new percentage based on the 100% over here, that is now 127 million. All right, so with that in mind, we can go now and do what we call a cross multiplication, or we could run like that and we could run like that. It's kind of like an X. All right, so we take the 100 and we multiply it by this 127, and then we take this 112.39 and multiply it by X. And there we are. So now we have this equation right here. Okay, so let's take out all the markings, and there we have 100 times 127 is equal to 112.39 times X. So let's take the 100 and multiply by 127. And that gives us 12,700, which is this number right here. And that is equal to 112.39 times X. So X will be equal to, well, this quotient there, or 12,700 divided by 112.39. So we have the 12,700 already on the calculator, so we'll proceed to divide by 112.39. And that gives us an answer of 112.93772, but it's rounded. We have to round to the nearest million, or the nearest whole number, which will result in the number being this right here, 113 million. So that is the answer. So if we go back to the top, it says here to give our answer as a whole number. So the sales before growth right here, this sales before growth is 113 million, as you can see right down here.